Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I created this look today using the Carnival palette. I already have a look with this palette. I'll link it down below and up here. So if you guys like what you see, stay tuned, and the look is about to follow. I am going to get my hands on the Carnival XL Pro palette soon, and when I do, I will do a tutorial with that one too. But for now, enjoy this palette and bye for now. So today I'm just going to do the eye look. I've already done my brows and I've applied the P. Louise base just on the crease to the brow bone, because I will be doing a cut crease look, so there's no point in me wasting some base on the lid when I'm just going to take it off and apply it. So I have a look in mind. I'm going to use the bperfect Carnival palette to do it. Fingers crossed it comes out how I want it, because almost always I have a look in mind and it comes out completely different. So I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to start off with the shade Liqueur, and I'm going to put that on the inner crease, if that makes sense. I'm going to go in with the shade Basic, and I'm using a Morphe M506 to do that. And I'm just going to stamp that on the top and blend it out. And take it all the way up to the brow bone. Just keep blending it all out after stamping. Take it all the way up. I'm going to go back in with the pencil brush and go into Liqueur again and just intensify that color a bit more. So you want to concentrate on here and then blend it out here. And then get the other brush without picking up any color and just blend these two colors together. So how has everybody been? I've noticed that my Primark video has done much more well than my other videos, so I'll probably be doing more Primark clothing hauls in the future. And I just want to update you guys on my psoriasis. As you guys can see, it's really going away. So if you do have psoriasis and you have subscribed to my channel because of it, stay tuned. I will be doing a video on what I've used on my psoriasis. It's also cleared on my arm, so I do have some dry scales, but most of it is just marks that's been left behind. So I will be doing a video. And I did quit Slimming World because I was a member with them, but I found myself not following and sticking to the plan when I was moving houses. So I've decided to go back from tomorrow, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. I put on more weight than I went in last time because I really wasn't following the plan. So this is what's happening with my eyes right now. I'm going to do the other eye and come back to you. Now I'm going to take a pointed cotton bud, Q-tip, whatever you call it, and some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up where I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm now going to cut the crease with the P. Louise base number 2, and I'm going to use this brush. It's just an art brush. It's new. I'm going to try it out to cut the crease. I did use it to apply my P. Louise base as well, and I quite liked it. It's very thin. So it's called Filbert System 3 De La Rowney. That's what it says, and it's brush number 12. So I don't know anything about art brushes, but that's the name if you guys want to go and get it. I got it from the range. Okay, in case it works out. So let me try and see how it goes. You know, this is quite rough to do on the cut crease, but let me give it a go. It's alright, I prefer my Anastasia brush to cut the crease. So I usually use brush number 18 by Anastasia to cut the crease. I just find that this brush is a lot more fatter, so I thought it would do the job a lot more faster, but I'm not liking the streaks that it's leaving. I'll do this eye first, and then I'll do the other eye. I'll complete this eye. I'm actually quite liking how it's gone on actually. I'm now going to go in with the shade Funky, right? I'm going to take this brush right here, and this is a Zoeva 238. I wish I had the coloured P. Louise base. That's on my list of things to get because I just love how people do their looks with it. So that's how I've applied it. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the cut crease brush, and I'm going to just clean that area out. I'm going to go in with the shade Hustle. So it's this shade right here. I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. I'm going to use my finger to apply it first. So I'm just going to get this brush by Blank Canvas, E27 brush, and I'm going to go into more detail with the shade Hustle. I'm going to blend it out, just push it out without picking up any more. So now I'm going to line my eyes using the NYC liquid liner. I'm going to leave the outer corner blank. So I'm not doing a wing. I'm going to use the tip of my finger just to press that in. I'm going to get a black eyeshadow and press it in onto the liner. Use an angled wing liner brush. And I'm using Corrupt by Makeup Geek as my black. So I'm going to do the other eye, apply false lashes and the rest of my face, and I'll come back to you guys to do the bottom. And so I've applied foundation and I haven't put on my lashes like I said I would because it's good. The eyeshadow is just going to go all over the mascara and everything. So I'm going to do the lower lash line first and then do the rest of my face. On the lower lash line, I'm just going to apply Liqueur and Basic, so the two shades that I put on the crease up here on the lower lash. So I'm going to get a wing liner brush. This is the Zoeva 317, and I'm going to add Liqueur, which is the darker shade. And I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. I'm going to bring it down a little bit like that. The brush that I used to apply it to the crease, and I'm going to smudge that out. And now I'm going to get Morphe M5. I'm going to pick up Basic and just smudge it a bit more. I'm going to go back in with the liner brush and Liqueur and intensify that colour again. And for right here, I'm going to go in with Hustle. I'm going to apply that right here. Go back in with the wing liner brush and just add a bit more. I'm going to add it to the waterline. So now that that's done, I'm going to go off camera, tight line the top of my eyelashes, mascara, lashes, and the rest of my face, and I will come back to you guys to do the lips. So I've done everything. Now it's time for the lips. Okay, so for the liner, I am going in with Boots Natural Collection Lip Liner. These are so underrated. I don't understand why people don't talk about them because they stay on your lips forever and they also glide on very, very easily. They're so easy to apply. They're so creamy, yet they last long. They don't smudge off. Anyway, let me put it on. And for the lipstick, I'm going in with Clay Crush by Maybelline. This is the matte lipstick. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below of what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next and the kind of videos you guys would like to see next. Anyway, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look very much as I did. Bye for now.